All right, back to our next body system, which will be the circulatory system. Circulatory system, as you can see once again, circulates blood through the body. There's an easy reminder there. Circulatory, circulates. The main organ of the circulatory system obviously is the heart. That is the main part. It does all the work. It is divided in half. Your heart is cut in half by what is called the septum. And then you have two upper chambers and two lower chambers. The two upper chambers is the atrium. The way to remember that is the upper letter in the alphabet is A. So A, atrium. Then you have the two lower chambers of the heart, which are the ventricles. The easy way to remember that is one of the lower letters of the alphabet is V. So V for ventricles, and plus, as you guys know, it is the coolest letter in all the alphabet. Now, let's follow the blood through the heart. The blood begins in the left atrium where the oxygen-rich blood is. We've gotten the blood from the lungs and the capillaries. It's picked up the oxygen, so now it's in the left atrium. From the left atrium, it goes to the left ventricle, and it pumps blood out of the heart. When it goes out of the heart, it goes into the aorta. It is the biggest artery in the body, and it passes all the good blood. The good blood meaning the oxygenated blood to the rest of the arteries and throughout the body. As you can see, that good oxygenated blood goes through the entire body. So the thing to remember here is that arteries take the blood away. A, arteries. Now the blood's got to get back to the heart. After all the blood disperses, goes the entire part of the body, the capillaries pass off all the good oxygenated blood, and they get the bad blood, is what we call it. And that's the blood that has the carbon dioxide and the wastes. Now, the veins are what carry the bad blood back to the heart. And that is the blue blood. Blood that is blue is not oxygenated. It's got the carbon dioxide and the wastes. That's why when you get a cut, it's exposed to oxygen, and it is red. As the veins carry the blood back to the heart, it enters the right atrium first, and the right atrium pumps the bad blood to the right ventricle and through the pulmonary artery is where it goes, and the blood gets back into the lungs, and the process will start over again where the lungs, the alveoli in the lungs will pass the oxygen to the blood in the capillaries. And that's it for the circulatory system.